How to fix can change Instagram name. So in order to fix that, let's head over right here to our profile, and then let's head over click on our edit profile. Now we have in here our Instagram name. So take note that before you change your name and before you make it formal, you need to make sure that you can also only change your name twice within 14 days, which means that if you're not on that 14-day list or on the 14-day time period, if you're not yet done with that, that means that you won't be able to change your name. So in order to fix the can change your name error, you need to head over and wait it out the 14 days you will have on that case in order to successfully get the name you want to use again on your actual Instagram. So make sure to take your Instagram name heavily and make sure that it is correct. So that's how you fix can't change Instagram name. Hope we help.